guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Ipsy unboxing and try on. So as you guys can see, I already do have my base on. I do know what's in the box because I do have the Ipsy app and I'm horrible, and I like to see what I'm getting before I get it because I'm just so excited. So I did basically all of my base, and I'm just really excited to show you guys what's in this box and test it out and give you all my first impressions of this and just tell you a little bit more about Ipsy. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription service. I did purchase it for the whole year, but this is the Ipsy Glam Plus, and this is 25 bucks a month, and then you do get, I believe it's 4 to 5 or 4 to 6 full-size items in the box, and this is probably my third or fourth one. So if you guys are interested, I'll link the last one that I did up in the eye. But last time what I did do is I did a boxy charm in Ipsy, and kind of just tried everything out and saw what box I liked better, what products I liked better. But this month I decided to go back and do the individual videos. But if you guys do like that kind of Ipsy versus boxy war, then let me know and I'll do those videos from now on. But before we jump into that portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys to please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. EST. But without further ado, let's get unboxing. First thing that you do get, just like in BoxyCharm, you do get just like a little informational sheet, just basically telling you what is in the box and just the breakdown of everything in the box. So, and first things first, I'm actually not going to be using this today because this is a rehydration gel. I use these types of hydration gel, moisturizers, whatever, deep moisturizers in the evening, because during the day I do use my Dermalogica one. So this is by Illa Mask. This is a Hydra Veil. Oh wait, this is a primer? Wait, hold on, I'm confused. Is this a primer? It's both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and soothing your skin in one simple step. The clear formula absorbs quick, so it's a perfect step before foundation. What? They didn't say. Oh my gosh. I thought, just based off of this, that this was a moisturizer, but I guess it's a primer. It's supposed to hydrate and smooth the skin, protects against dryness, minimize the look of pores. Ooh. And it's supposed to create the perfect canvas for application. So that's actually really interesting. Oh my gosh, I wish I knew that. Oh, look at how cute that is. That's like a little spoon, right? Wait, how do I open that? I'm confused. Looks like jelly. It literally looks like jelly. That's actually really cool. Yeah, it feels like jelly too. That actually feels really cool. I like the scent of it. I don't feel like it feels moisturizing. It feels more like a primer, not like a hydrator. But I'm excited to give this a try. Actually, I'm sorry. I really thought this was a moisturizer, so that's why I put my base down first. Darn it. Alright, I'll use this in an upcoming video though for you guys. Next thing that I have, this is the Gigi Gorgeous, the Thick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And I don't even think I told you what this retails for. So this primer retails for $45. So this Gigi retails for $24. Ooh, that packaging though. Packaging looks gorgeous, but that looks really pretty. That's a nice bronzer and then a contour. I like how it's like 2-in-1. I'm excited to go ahead and give this a try. The next thing I have, this is the Ciate London Dewy Stick. This is a highlighting balm. Ooh, okay, so this retails for $26. And want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator from a British beauty brand beloved on their on-trend and innovative products. This gel-like balm is made with murmur butter and hyaluronic acid to instantly radiance your skin. Ooh, that's cool. So gently dab or wipe onto bare skin, blend out with fingers or brush. If wearing on top of makeup, swipe fingers over balm and gently apply with a rolling motion. So that's what this looks like. That looks cool. So it doesn't look like a highlighter, but it looks more like it's supposed to give you that nice dewy look. Ooh. Okay, so I'm oily. I really don't know how well that's going to look on my skin, but we're gonna test that out. The next thing I have is a mascara. This is the Punk Volumizing Mascara. This is by Ducey, and this retails for $24. Ooh, this packaging. That looks really pretty. Let's see what that wand. Ooh, this wand looks like dangerous. All right, we're gonna see. Then we have, ooh, a lipstick. This lipstick retails for $26. Yeah, and this is vegan, cruelty free. It's a deep berry shade with a blue-red undertone, and it's infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in a creamy color. So wear it alone, pair it with a gloss for added shine, line your lips with a matching pencil for classic definition. So I did bring a few pencils so I can make sure that it's not gonna bleed through and all that jazz. Ooh, that packaging though. Ooh, the shade, oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm ready. I really love this packaging. And then we get a cute little adorable bag, like a little makeup bag. I love stuff like this because in my purse I love putting like makeup or like tampons, pads and stuff in a little bag, and it's just a lot easier. Let me go ahead actually and tell y'all the box worth. So this box retails for $145, and I'm really excited to test this stuff out because I didn't even know half of these brands. Besides, like, I think the only brand I knew is Ciate London. That's it. Everything else I didn't know. So I'm excited. So I'm first going to bronze up my skin because I feel like I need some bronzer in my life. So this does come with a nice mirror as well, which I love. So I'm just going to take that on. This is my JH02 brush. And let's just start bronzing the skin, guys. I actually like that color for bronzer. Ooh, I like this color. It's like light, but it's a really good color for winter for me. I like this. I feel like such a bronze goddess right now. I really like this bronzer actually. That looks really good. Like not too harsh. You could definitely build it up, but it's pigmented. It's not splotchy. It's very, very easy to blend out. I like this a lot actually. I'm gonna go in with that contour shade and just contour a little bit. That looks pretty good. Yeah, that's definitely very pigmented. I like that a lot. I'm just gonna sweep a little bit across my nose. I don't really contour my nose at all, but just a little underneath the lip to make it look a little bit more pouty. But I really like this bronzer contour. I like how it's together, so it's going to be really easy to travel with. Actual like compactness of this I really like as well, so I really like that. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to try putting it on with my finger first. I hope this doesn't make me look really oily. Oh, I feel like I'm not going to like this. I'm going to be honest. Because of the texture of this, it feels like really tacky, and I feel like it's gonna make me look too oily. I think I would rather stick with a highlighter than this. I mean, it looks nice, it just, I feel like it's gonna make me look oily. Like if you have dry skin, this is definitely gonna be for you, but oily, I don't really think I'm gonna like this. And you guys could already see like that white. I'm already getting some foundation on there too. Hopefully the camera is picking that up, but I'm getting some foundation on there. I don't know, really don't think it's for me. I mean, it's good if it's like a no makeup day, but my skin is already like oily, so I don't think a product like this is good for my skin. What I actually want to do is I want to go back into the GG Gorgeous, and I want to mix the two shades, and I just want to pop this right in the crease because I feel like with that lipstick I'm gonna need a little something something, if you know what I'm saying. And I feel like this is a really good palette, like literally just mixing between the two is blending out really good on my eyes too. So definitely really like this. Let me curl my lashes. Her lash curler. But let me go ahead and try this mascara. I want to also try it for my lower lash line. It might be a little difficult for my lower lash line because this wand is humongo. So let's see. The wand is so big, I'm like scared. Okay, so I like the mascara. My lashes definitely look thicker with this mascara, but it's just the wand that I'm like, I really don't like. That mascara is actually really good. If you love the look of false lashes and this mascara is for you, it delivers drama and length without smudging, flaking, or clumping. Let me apply that second coat. I feel like the wand though is like kind of messing me over because I feel like the wand is like way too big. My lashes look long though. Can you guys see? Like, I'll look down. My lashes look long. Let me see if I can put on my bottom lashes. That's gonna be a struggle. Okay, let me see. Okay, it totally worked for bottom lashes. Like, my bottom lashes look long, but again, you have to be very careful. My lashes look good though. They look very good. It definitely looks like I'm wearing like false lashes, and I don't really hate it. Like, I think it looks good. They're not like clumping together. They definitely look, my lashes look really, really full. I like my lashes looking like that. Not clumpy, don't look spidery. I feel like they look good. So I want to go ahead and swatch this lipstick because I took about lip liners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lip liners. So I want to see which one matches this lipstick the best. But this packaging, I'm obsessed. It looks beautiful. I don't know why I whispered that, but it's fine. So let me go ahead and swatch. Oh, that is so pretty. Gorgeous. All right, I think I want to go with the Palladio. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips first. If you guys have not tried a Palladio lip liner, I love them. They're like super creamy, really easy to use. I love them. So let me put on this lipstick. I'm so excited because it's beautiful. Ooh, that one swipe. This is gorgeous. I really, really love that shade. That shade is beautiful. I like it a lot, and I have to say I actually like this for the tip of my nose. I don't like it on my cheeks so much. I definitely don't like it on my cupid's bow, but I really like it on my nose. I think it's cute. It adds like a nice dewy touch to my nose. I feel like here, don't really like it. I'd rather highlight, but on my nose I think it looks cute. Like everything, I mean, I really want to try this. I'll probably try this in a like first impressions type of video that I'll probably be filming soon because I love filming first impressions. And let me just tell you like my thoughts and impressions on everything. So this bronzer contour duo I'm obsessed with. I really, really love the color of it. I love how I could just throw it in the crease and be done. I think that this is like amazing. I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of this. I love how it's compact. I mean, I'm the type of person where I just love like, if it's easy in the morning, it's for me. Like if I could grab this, be like, okay, I'm gonna bronze contour, boom, be done, good. And then I could use this as like an eyeshadow too, boom, done. I love this. I feel like I'm definitely gonna be getting a lot of use out of this. This mascara, I actually really, really like. I like how my lashes look. My lashes look long, they look full, they look dramatic, like amazing. This is perfect for like the girl who loves the look of false lashes but just hates false lashes, because that's me. I rarely ever use false lashes on my channel. So I really like this. The only thing that I would say, the wand is very intimidating. So this is a mascara that if you're running late in the morning, don't use this, because I feel like the wand, you just have to be very precise with it. So I wouldn't recommend using this if you're in a rush, but if you're like me and you're like, okay, I could take like a minute and do my mascara, then it's fine. And it's a lot easier. But I really like this, just not in the rush. But overall, would I purchase this? Yeah, because my lashes look bomb right now. This, I don't know how I feel. So I feel like it looks good, but I feel like for oily skin, this is just gonna make me feel more oily. Like I don't like the feeling of it. It's very like tacky, sticky, really not my thing. I like it on like the tip of my nose. I think it looks cute there, but on my face, no. I don't like the texture. It feels very tacky, sticky, even on like no makeup days. Like even on like makeup, no makeup days, I don't think I would be reaching for this because I don't like that like texture of it. I don't think I would purchase this. It's fun that I got it in my box. I could kind of experiment. Put it on the tip of my nose, looks cute, but would I wear it all over? No. Would I be reaching for this again? Probably not, just to be honest. Lipstick packaging, adore. I think this is the prettiest lipstick ever. It looks gorgeous. I love that packaging, so pretty. Lip color, really love for fall. This is a very nice Thanksgiving lipstick. It's not kiss proof, I can tell you that. Yeah, 100% not kiss proof, but the color looks really pretty. It's really pigmented. It's very easy to just sweep across and get that payoff. So really love this. Really excited to continue to use this. Yeah, I think that's everything on my box. Oh, and then the cute little bag, so adorable. 100% going to be using this. I love cheetah, leopard print, all that stuff. Just love animal print, so 100% going to be using that. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you will be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you can get notified of all of my future uploads. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. What did you get in your Ipsy box? Did you like anything? Did you hate anything? I want to hear all about it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!